Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Dashing Deer stamp set and the Detailed Deer Thinlet dies, as well as the Swirls and Curls embossing folder. So I have a piece of Whisper White thick here, and I'm just spritzing it to soften the fibers of the paper. Now I'm going to run this through the Big Shot, and this will prevent any kind of cracking. So I have my embossing buddy here, and I'm rubbing it on a Whisper White thick card base and a Whisper White thin sentiment piece. Now I'm going to use that embossed piece of paper just for placement off to the side, so I kind of know where I want to stamp. Now I'm using Versamark ink, which is a clear ink, so you can't really tell where you're stamping, and I do want that embossing to peep out from underneath the white card. And now I've inked up the sentiment Happiest Christmas Wishes. Now this isn't my design. I am borrowing from the catalog itself, and you know what, if you are stuck on a design, that is one of the best places to go for Stampin' Up! Products. We have designers already for us, and they have a ton of inspiration in that catalog, so please utilize them. They don't mind. So I can't give credit to anybody. I don't know specifically who made this card, but it wasn't me, and I just wanted you to know that. So now I'm heat embossing that powder. So basically the clear sticky ink was able to hold on to that powder, the gold powder, and when I heated it, it all melted and it made for a really shiny metallic looking card. Now on my piece here, this dry embossed piece, I have some fun foam. The thing is, when you mess with the fibers of the paper, it can kind of go a little warbly, and that is a technical term. So what I have done is put fun foam, which I just got at the dollar store, and I placed it in behind and just used my fast fuse to apply it. And oh, FYI, the clearance rack is open and has new products in it, and they have an absorbent amount of fast fuse refills. So if you miss your fast fuse like I do, go and buy some so that you will be stocked up for the next year. That is what I did, and I'm that much closer to going for grease because I have spent it all on fast fuse. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch you on Friday. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.